Central Intelligence Organization CIO Director General Isaac Moyo was abruptly dismissed last year, was reportedly ousted due to the allegiance to disgruntled war veterans and army generals, making VP Chiwenga speak for the presidency. ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa has suggested President Emmerson Mnangagwa dismissed Moyo without notice in December last year, along with Fulton Mangwanya, former head of the Zimbabwe Peace and Wildlife Authority. Around the same time, Mnangagwa also retired Police Commissioner General Godwin Matanga, replacing him with the Deputy Stephen Mutamba. Mchangwa stated that these demotions were part of a calculated intelligence strategy to weaken Chiwenga and a faction of war veterans resisting Mnangagwa's efforts to extend his rule beyond 2028. Speaking to reporters on Tuesday, Mchangwa suggested that Mnangagwa's systematic replacement of top security officials was intended to preempt a potential coup. These changes ensure that security institutions remain professional and committed to constitutional order, Mchangwa said, hinting at deep-rooted factional battles within the ruling party. Last week, Mnangagwa also demoted Zimbabwe National Army Commander General Anselm Zanyatwe. Mchangwa openly ridiculed the demotions, implying that Zanyatwe and other high-ranking security figures were pegged for aligning with war veteran led by Bombshell Kesa, a vocal critic of Mnangagwa who has been advocating for his removal. These guys tiona kwa CHAMISA Central Intelligence Organization bosses vachifakiwa nokuda kwa VP Chiwenga nokuda kuuri unzi aiwa they are being alleged kuti vanomwe supports kuna VP Chiwenga and they can plan a coup against the Zimbabwean leader. Todze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa zuri pachitiko ichi pana konversation medu muzi mafunguro enyu musanga subscribe or like and on the bell icon.